Binary trading versus forex trading. Binary trading offers fixed returns based on a simple up-down prediction within a set time with known risk and reward. Forex trading involves buying selling currencies with profits depending on how much the price moves. Binary is faster and easier to learn but riskier due to limited regulation. Forex offers more control, higher profit potential, and is widely regulated but requires deeper market knowledge and strategy.
Watch me turn $20 into $200 with live binary trading wins and real-time withdrawals, all using my simple yet proven strategy that really works. Ready to see it in action?
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so withdrawal time naman tayo. So this account, tingnan natin yung deposit history. So from $20 na kapital, na diniposit ko last July 3. Ayan, July 3. Meron ako na-receive na $12 bonus. Okay? And then, ayan, in just 2 days, naging 250 siya. So, ngayon, syempre, dapat withdraw din pag may time. Yan, punta tayo sa finance and then withdrawal. At magwi-withdraw tayo ng 200. So, itala lang natin yung 50 para may pang-trade pa rin. Okay. Yan, continue. So, dun tayo magwi-withdraw papunta sa meron na siyang pin. So, tinan muna natin. Yan, 80. Alright. Yan, withdrawal has been sent. Tapos, ayan, meron na siyang confirmation and then it's 8:09 PM. So, may natira na lang na $50. Tapos, dito siya papunta sa Binance. Okay, punta natin si Binance. So, I only have 20 USDT. Actually, 19.18 USDT yung laman nito. So, update na lang tayo again once na na-receive ko na yung funds or yung ating withdrawals. So, it's 8:09 PM and let's see kung gaano din kabilis yung withdrawals dito. So, abangan nyo lang guys yung ating very own strategy, proven strategy. So, ituturo natin yan sa ating community, trend community. Kaya, stay tuned lang kayo. So, make sure na naka-join kayo sa Telegram para sa upcoming updates. Soonest na to guys. Okay? So, i-update ko lang kayo. Stay tuned! Alright, so, time check. It's 8:26. So, nasa ano lang, less than 20 minutes. At may na-receive na ako na notification. Ayan, pumasok na ang ating withdrawals. Alright, tingnan natin yung Binance. Alright, and then let's refresh. And boom, so dumating na guys, walang bawas. Ayan, walang kulang. So, ayan, nag-confirm pa siya. So, yun, napakabilis ng withdrawals sa packet option. And, ayan na, from $20 turn to $200. And may natira pang $50 na pwedeng ipang trade. Alright, so stay tuned and let's make more money. Bye-bye!